2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.